College pun fibro suggestion part ka result ka ba penmi mentagas ni apo ka website MPSC Mikla Public Service Commission ka Jong Primary investigator / computer under the Directorate of Economics and Statistics December 2024 conducted by the Commission on 26 and 27 June 25 is hereby declared. The name of the successful candidate are Dawju Lingdo, Elizabeth Pali, Kinsai Boklang Lating, Meban Pensyai Dingan, kini on reserve category yo. Dan Rapport Langs Im, Cleverson Khongwir, Kevin Troyden Mauli, Pinske Miki Najier, P. Wandra Boklang Lajmon, but Remedy Khongjo napo Khasijentia category. And Sasal Markon Di Areng, Biki G Mumin, but Jean Clive R. Marak napo Garo category. There were no eligible candidate on the sports person category from both Khasi and Jantia, both Khasi, Jantia and Garo. Kemudian amdonre kiba day ki sports person kiba yo ya kena post day ki post along thalibiang. Candidate on the OST/SC category remain absent. Kemudian ki absent kemuan 12 candidate altogether remain absent. Khatar ngut ki candidate ki absent kemuan re syaka interview. Takadaw umdonre we rubayo. Takaturo kan kinsara no syaka next recruitment. Tangkine higijing petip. Congratulations namta kine ki candidate baro khatlain gut gibala long successful namta kane post primary investigator. Tangkine higijing petip. Kulesh pun.